Hello everyone, this is Stormium, and today we have a white box. No, we didn't, I'm a liar. We have a mini wireless keyboard. This is a sample that I ordered about a week ago and just arrived yesterday. Sadly, I have made a crease in the box because I threw it in the car when I got back from the delivery office in excitement and creased it, which makes me sad. There's a bit of a crease there as well. I think a lot of that might have to do with Hong Kong Post rather than me. But oh well, let's have a look at the box. It's obviously a plain white box, it's not much to see apart from the creases, and a Chinese character with CVQD G322 written on it, and a sticker that says QC passed and the number 9, which I assumed it's been quality controlled 9 times, which is good, definitely going to work, and CCFCC made in China sticker. Of course, you can't actually see that because it doesn't focus close enough. Right, let's open the box and see what we have inside. Bubble wrap. Let's start with the exciting stuff first. A white cable with USB on one end, mini USB on the other. We also have... See, this is why I should buy a tripod, then you can use both hands to do this and you don't keep waving the camera so it's out of shot. Instruction manual, all in pretty decent English for something that's imported from China. Usually you get some random words which don't really make sense that they've plucked from Google Translate. There is one amusing bit where it says indicators, caps indicator, shooting indicator and charging indicator. Brilliant. You can indicate when you're being shot. I think you might know that by the change of the colour of your clothes. Okay, let's pull this out and get rid of this box because it's in my way. It comes in bubble wrap, which is fair enough. Let's take it out of the bubble wrap. Jesus Christ, this is difficult. Seriously, if anyone wants to try putting their arm behind the back for a day and try living, it's quite difficult. Come on. There we are. I'm going to stop rambling now and say something useful. Here we are, this is a keyboard. It's a keyboard that says 2.4G wireless keyboard with touchpad. It says with touchpad for a very good reason. There's a touchpad there, and it's got left and right mouse buttons there and also there. They do exactly the same thing. Up here up top we've got function keys. We've got F1 through F12, and each of those double up as something. From the top left, working, we have backlight, which is good. Power, which I think shuts down the computer. I've not tried that yet. Zzz, which puts the computer in screensaver mode, which I have tried. And that's email, internet, FR. Send you to France? No, I think that's the one that connects it to the receiver that the shooting indicator lights up for. Mute, volume down, volume up. Skip back, play, skip forward. And that's it. And then we've got the number pad with various number keys. There's some more functions down the bottom. We've got rewind, fast forward, stop and record. I'm not exactly sure when you'd use record on a computer. And then we've got the keyboard down below, which is a standard QWERTY keyboard. It's got spacebar down there, Control, Alt, Windows, all that fun gubbins. It's got home end, page up, page down, but no insert key. It's got delete over there, but no insert. Not sure anyone's ever actually used that, apart from when you hit it by accident and then realise why you're typing gibberish into Microsoft Word. Take a look around the outside. We've got that mini USB hole, off and on switch, some nothing, some nothing, some nothing. It is shiny white, which if it was black it would suck fingerprints off from across the room, but this is okay actually. I see no fingerprints, so it's all good. And this, now it's got a rechargeable battery in it, which has, well, I'm sure it's got a decent battery life. I've not actually tested it to the abilities of its capacity. That made no sense. But it has got a sliding cover, which hides a receiver, which is fair enough, I suppose. If you do buy one of these, there's some little notches there, which someone with eyes will be able to tell that the USB bit goes there inside the little notches, because that's about the width of it. But that's not true. It actually goes in that way, which makes no sense. Okay, so I'm going to plug that in there, off camera, into my table that has a USB port built into it. And then I'm going to press, sorry, I've got to put the camera down for a second, FNF6. Is it connected? Wiggle the mouse around a bit. Wait for the device driver to install. Got to love Windows, haven't you? Absolutely brilliant. Have I switched it on? Haven't switched it on. Wow. Isn't life grand? Let's try again. And we're back. My computer seems to hate wireless receivers. We've got to love Windows. Every time you take them out and plug them back in again, it decides it wants to find the driver for it, and then it can't find the driver, so then it takes a day off, and then it phones its mum and asks her if she knows where the driver is, and then eventually it works, but I'm sure you didn't want to see that process. So, we have it connected now. Let's switch to the backlight so you can see that. F1, FN and F1, sorry. Light up. This isn't going very well, is it? There we are. Might help if I actually press the button. There we are, red backlight. Looks fair enough, I'm sure you could see that in the dark. In fact, I know you can see that in the dark, I've used it in the dark. The backlight does go off when it's not in use, which saves battery life. It lights back up whenever you touch it. So, if you move the pad or whenever you press a key. So just to prove it's working, here is a computer monitor with a picture of God knows what this is. And you can see me there moving the touchpad, and the mouse is moving. Excellent. And I'm going to do right click so you can see that's working. Loads, thinks for a second, and then happens. Excellent. What more can you want? Yeah, it works. So, there you have it. I'm not sure what else you can demonstrate with the keyboard apart from typing, I suppose, but let's look at the keyboard itself. See there, the keys are raised. They've got little black dimples between the rows of keys, so you can sort of feel where the keys are. You can't really type without looking though. It's not like you can't touch type on it or anything. The keys are, they're quite difficult to press, but you've got to remember how you hold a keyboard like this. It's more like a BlackBerry keyboard where you hold it with your thumb. You'd have another thumb here if I had a spare hand. And you sort of press the keys in like that, don't you? So even though they are hard to press by a keyboard standard, by a phone keyboard or this sort of keyboard, it's absolutely fine. I'm going to switch this backlight off before it runs out of battery. Oh, there's the indicators. The shooting indicator and... wrong way. Battery and caps lock. Yeah, so let's move on to price. Price is under £25. That's all I can say at the moment because I've got no idea how cheap I can get these. Maybe around £20. I think £20 is a good value for this, to be honest. You can use it for if you're in bed and you've got a computer attached to your telly and you like to switch backwards and forwards between Family Guy episodes that you've legally downloaded from the internet off iTunes or other reputable video stores. Or if you just have a computer that's far away for some reason, you can use this. But no, mainly it's for media center computers. Obviously you've got your touchpad and you can do a bit of typing. It's not the sort of thing you want to be typing essays out on, but then you don't buy this sort of thing for typing essays out on. And it's also good for left and right handed users because of the two sets of LR buttons which you can't see. So, that's it. Thank you for watching. This has been Stormium. Have a good day.